Hello, in this short demonstration I'm going to look at some of the social publishing aspects of LAMP-360. Here's a list of mainly test examples of social media sites that we've already set up and linked to, and that's a very easy process to connect to a social media account. Now the idea within LAMP is that we have content that we're going to use and link to from websites, we're going to use in our sophisticated email marketing campaigns, and if we've got this content we may as well also use it in our social media campaigns. Now content can be stored in LAMP, and in this case it's just a link through to a web page, but typically it can often be white papers or links to YouTube videos or whatever it may be. And LAMP is storing this content, and LAMP then maintains a landing page, and this is a simplified landing page with a banner, some questions down here, and some text or HTML including images here. And the layout of these can be changed significantly, and the style to really fit in with your own corporate branding. In terms of the questions down here, these can be changed between different landing pages. We just got the basic sort of 5 main fields here that often people will collect, and we've also got an example here of a scale, a Likert scale as this is called, and there's a full survey system within LAMP available as well. So the idea with marketing using content is that we then publish this content, and then within LAMP uniquely we can not only track the fact that somebody's clicked on a link, but we actually register the lead as well. And I'm going to show you how this works with respect to social media. So I will edit this item of content. On this first screen I have the categorization of the content and the definition of the survey questions, and I've also got here the image. This is the name of the image. I can select other items from there. I'm not going to go through all of the content, that's covered in other videos, but here's the social publishing page, and I'm going to publish to Facebook, but it's the same to LinkedIn and Twitter. So by checking this box here, it copies the description from the definition of the content. That is probably a good guess as to what I might use in this post. And I'm going to post that, and I can have multiple individual or company page profiles in all of these, apart from Twitter where you just have your normal user profile. In this case I'm going to do a publication to a demo company page. So I can say publish that, and I can publish it immediately, or I could edit and give it a time to publish at some stage in the future. One of the nice things about LAMP as well is that I could say, well look, this post here I'll actually just use the same post, but I could differentiate it here just by putting a 2, and I'll publish that one actually same time, today, but also a little bit later on at 5 o'clock, and I could add in another post and say, well, we're actually going to do that tomorrow at 8 o'clock, and I'll do another post in, it could be another week, or it could be several months time at a specific time. And that will be scheduled in the queue within LAMP and will then get published at the appropriate point in time. So I've got a series of posts there. I could do the same thing with LinkedIn and Twitter, and I could change the post in each case, which I'll do here. And then if I then save this, it will do this publication now and then schedule these other posts. So now we've saved this, and if I look down at the bottom here, I can see the post history, and if I sort this so that the most recent one is at the top, you'll see the post now at 14:02 that I've just done to Facebook. And if I look at the scheduled posts, you'll see the posts 2, 3 and 4 that are scheduled on the different dates right out until October in this case. So if I now go look at the landing page, this is the landing page that this item of content creates. If I now go to my social media profile and just refresh this, this is the demonstration account, we will see here published just now is that same image and a landing page commentary. If I now follow the link, what that does is take us back to the landing page, and this could also be linked to from the website, and it's also used with emails. In the case of email marketing, it will be pre-filled. So if I put my initials and just say this is a Facebook Rego, just so we can identify it, I'll put in a number, put in an email here, which is Julian at LAMP, put in I won't bother with a company, I'll fill out the Likert scale, and submit that, what this one does is actually take me to an item of content, which in this case is just a web page, and it's the LAMP web page. If I now go back to the item of content and refresh this, what we'll see here now, if we look at the responses tab, is, and if I just sort this in reverse order again, is we'll see a registration, a landing page registration from Facebook with this contact JP FFB Regio. And in fact, if I then open this contact, we will see all the details about this contact. And this is the beauty of LAMP, is rather than just creating a click and saying that we've had X hundred or 1,000 links on a post, we've actually created the leads, and here's the contact, and I can see his history that he've responded here via Facebook, and in the future I could see lots of other activity as this person interacts with us. And this piece of content also had an autoresponder, AR1, and that email has been sent out to him. So inbound marketing and content marketing use content as it's stored here in LAMP. That's then distributed via email in a controlled fashion to make the post to make the email communication relevant. It's posted out to social media channels, and we can put links in our website and other sites, all of which then mean that the landing pages will track where the results came from, allow us to have a complete view of what's happening with that content, and we can report on that. So one of the ways to get content into LAMP, particularly if it's third-party curated content, is the LampLit. And I click here on the LampLit, and this allows me to select the project within LAMP, and I'll use this one I've got set up called curated content. I select the persona who it's aimed at, sales here, the topics, agency. It then allows me to choose the image from the ones it can find on the page, and normally it's already pulled in the most relevant text from the top of the page, and we can add our own comment. Now if I now just do that, which only took me a few seconds, and saved it, that's actually now created that piece of content into LAMP, which we could go and have a look at. And then also that last step we just looked at a few minutes ago in terms of publishing to social media, I could now select the profile and do a simple publication either now at a preset time. If I want to schedule multiple posts, then I'd need to just go and edit the content within LAMP directly. So what we call the LampLit here is just a very quick way of curating third-party content. So that's a quick example of content and publishing that to social media using LAMP. Thank you.